Going to the deck. Flushing them out. Right here by the school. Somebody acting a fool. Looks like we got a stolen vehicle. Him out. Flush him out. Get him. Blower, go down. Dip on him, dip on him, dip on him. Story sometimes you through. Everybody placing their bets.
I'm following your rules.
The letter of the rules, yes, but by trying to avoid fees, you're violating the spirit.
Which is...
Built until its dry, sister woman. Oh, which reminds me.
What? Reject fake free fees. Switch to the truly free checking account at Washington Mutual with no monthly fee, no matter what your balance, and no direct deposit requirement.
Just so you know, we're routing this phone call through Botswana and charging it to your account.
Washington Mutual. More human interest. FDIC insured.
Tomorrow. Entertainment presents Playmaker Temptations. That's incredible. Who is she? Rob has been late with you. Yeah, she did. That pro football player's face off the field. 10 o'clock down. Notice it. You're suspended. The first dramatic series from ESPN original.
Somebody can't drive.
Playmakers. Series 9 p.m. Eastern on ESPN. Also available on